In this video, we will be learning how to flag technicians on an RO. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are in the Jobs window, which is the screen we are in right now. If you are in a different window, simply click on the square button that says Jobs, located at the top of the screen, and it will take you into the Jobs window. Now, on the right-hand side, we have a list of open ROs. We are going to select the one we want to flag technicians on. For demo purposes, I am going to use this one. The technician scanned for codes, and there are two job lines. One is a check engine light. We want to flag him, let's say, a half hour for this job. At the top, we are going to click on Edit. Make sure the line is selected that we want to flag the technician on. It's going to be line 1 with the check engine light. Enter Tech ID and name into the orange-colored field. There are two ways to flag a technician. You can either type in his technician number, or you can use the drop-down arrow if you don't know it. The technician I want to flag is Matthew, so I can come down here and I can select his name. Next, we will tab over a couple of times into the FLH box. This FLH box is your flag hours. Right now we have it set to 0. We are simply going to type in 0.5 to give him a half hour's worth of work. We are going to tab again, and you can see that the rate and total change. We have a $100 an hour rate set, and by flagging him for a half hour, it gives you a grand total of $50 labor for this job. Now, to flag a second tech for the same job, right below Matthew, you would select line 2 and simply use the drop-down arrow and select another technician. Or you could type his technician number in. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to flag technicians on an RO.